So we are given this particular question falling under circle properties or circle theorem, just one and the same. So the question is saying, in the diagram below, the diagonals of the cyclic quadrilateral, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD meets at E. O is the center of the circle. Then we are told to say, given that angle DAB is equal to 75, DAB, this O angle there is equal to 75, and the angle DAC, this angle there is just equal to what? 30 degrees. Calculate. The first question we are told to calculate BAC. How can we answer this particular question? BAC. BAC. We want to find this angle from here up to there. Just see. We are given everything, and from here up to there, it is that part. How can you find this one? You just need to say, since you know everything is what? 75 degrees minus the 30 that is given there, you say minus 30. So what is the answer there? If we say 75 minus 30, what answer are we going to get? We are going to get 45. So it means that 45 degrees is the answer. So the answer is just what? 45 degrees. So this angle that is there, from here up to there, not everything is 75, but from here up to there, it is what? 75 degrees. So we should not forget that part. That is 75 degrees. 45 degrees, that part. That is 45 degrees. We should not forget. So let me write it here. So instead of going that side, people are not able. I'll write it here. So that is what? 45 degrees. That is the angle there. 45 degrees. This angle there. Just this part. Okay. We move now to this one that is here. They're telling us to say BCD. How can we find BCD? BCD. We want to find this O angle. Have you seen? BCD, it is everything here. So if we remember very well, the properties of angles that get to be found in a cyclic quadrilateral. So we know and understand that opposite angles inside a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. So if we add this one that is here, everything here, and that one, we need to get 180. Even this part that is there and everything there. So the opposite angles inside a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They add up to what? 180. So for us to find BCD, we just need to say 180 minus the 75 that was given there. We are going to get what? 105 degrees. So this is the answer there. The answer is just what? 105 degrees. That's how we need to answer that one. I guess you are able to see how I'm answering up these questions. So this is how you are supposed to answer them. You get to use properties of a circle. So we are using properties of a circle to answer this particular question. We now move on to this question, question 3. OBD. What are we told to find here? They are telling us, where is O? So the center is here. So the center, that center is O. I forgot to put it. The center is O. This is why you've got the center O. So they are telling us to find the OBD. OBD. They want us to find this angle that is here. This angle that is there. For us to be able to find this angle that is here, you need to know the angle that is there, because you know that these two, since this is coming from the center to the circumference, meaning these two angles are equal. I'm using properties which I already know. So this one and that one, these two angles are equal. So I just need to find this one that is here. Have you seen the angle that is being formed at the circumference here? They are on the same chord. They are on this same chord. So meaning that this angle, we just multiply it by 2 to get this one. So here we've got what? 150. Since this whole thing is 75, meaning here this is what? 150. 150. What are we forming here? What are we forming here? This is a triangle. I don't know if people are able to see. It is a triangle here. Angles inside the triangle adds up to what? 180. If this is 150 and these two are equal, we are just remaining with 30 to reach 180. Meaning that here we've got what? We've got 15. Even there I've got what? 15 degrees. So that I add 15 plus 150 plus 15, I need to get 180. Meaning that this angle that is here, this is 15 degrees. I'm done. This is how I need to answer such a question. I'm just using properties of a circle to answer all these questions. These are simple questions that you need to know how to answer. Once you know how to answer these questions, everything will become very easy. So I just want you to know how I'm answering these questions and how you are supposed to answer these questions. We now move on to this question, last question. I guess you are able to see this last question that is here. This is another interesting question. OBC. OBC. They now just want us to find this O part now. We find this O part. So we know this is 15. How about this one? Have you seen this chord that is here? This chord. This one goes this side. There is an angle that is being formed. This one comes this side. So this angle that is here and that angle that is there, these two are lying on the same chord, meaning they are equal. So if this is 30, even this one, it is what? 30. It is just 30. Remember what I told you, especially you, my students. I told you that you need to understand the circle properties. Those ones that I gave you, you analyze them. So obviously, I know that, okay, this any angle formed on the same chord, this one, it goes there like this, even here like this. It is O. Have you seen here? Like they are all on this part. So this is just the same as this is 30. So I want to find OBC. OBC. So meaning I'm just saying 15 plus 30. What is the answer? The answer is 45 degrees. You are done. This is what you are supposed to do. So these are the answers. I'm done. Have you seen? I'm done. And this is how you are supposed to answer these questions that are here. So you just answer them just like this. And if questions are to come in an exam, you say, okay, this is how I need to answer them. So this is how you are supposed to work out such questions in an exam. So this is the end of this session. Hope you've learned one or two things. And what I want you to do here, the next thing that I want you to do is if you want tuitions, you can contact me. You get to WhatsApp me on this number. So those of you that want tuitions, this is my WhatsApp number. Just drop a text on WhatsApp. I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. So this is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to help you. +26 0971 06 6747. Don't forget. I've got a Facebook page and I want people to follow me. I already want your support on Facebook. So I want you people to follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. This is my official name on Facebook. Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. You just follow this page so that you get to be updated with every information that you get to post. It's not everything that I share on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok, but most of the information I get to share them on Facebook. So I want you to follow me on Facebook. Thank you so much. If you want tuitions, here's the number. Not only mathematics, even other subjects. Thank you.